Let's make an easy, classic Filipino bread, pandesal. In a mixing bowl, combine all-purpose flour, white sugar, salt, whisk together. Add beaten egg, melted butter, and fresh milk. Mix together. Add active yeast. Fold in the yeast into the mixture until everything are clumped up together. Using a dough hook attachment, beat the dough, or you can manually knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. But if you're using a mixer to beat the dough, it would take about 5 to 7 minutes. It is done when the dough clings into the hook like this, or you can use a window pane test. Form dough into a bowl and transfer the dough into a bowl greased with oil. Cover the dough with a cling wrap or kitchen towel, or let it sit for 30 to 1 hour or until doubled in size. Punch down to remove gas. Cut dough in half. Flour surface and roll dough into a log. I'm making this dough into 12 pieces of pandesal. Cut each log into 6 equal parts. Shape each piece into a bowl and roll into the breadcrumbs. I use about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, or if you have an old bread, you can put it in a grinder and use it as a breadcrumb. This recipe will yield about 12 pieces of pandesal. Arrange each into the baking sheet. And cover with a kitchen towel and let it sit for another 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius oven for 15 minutes or until desired doneness is achieved. And that's it. Enjoy!